Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to increase your zoom on your Google Docs spreadsheets. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the View tab, and then you want to go and select Zoom, and you can make it bigger or smaller depending on your preference. And that is all you have to do. You do the same thing next to the Paint Formatter tool here as well, pretty much. So, as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.